Hello friends, welcome to my channel, My Creations, My Solutions with Anamika Tyagi. In the last of this video, you will be able to solve the questions about the topic as follows. Division of a whole number by a decimal. To convert fraction into decimals. Word problem on division of decimals. So we will cover these topics in this video. As I mentioned, this is our first topic of this video, division of a whole number by a decimal. In this, we will get the division question in which the dividend should be of whole number and the divisor should be of decimal number. In order to convert and solve this type of question, we need to convert first of all divisor into the whole number. So let's see the process how to convert divisor into whole number. We need to write first of all into fraction form, and we have to observe the divisor how many decimal place it has. As you can see, 1, 2. 2 decimal place the divisor has in this question. So we will multiply in dividend and in the divisor by 100 to convert into whole number. Now 9 will multiply by 100, it will convert into 915, 0.15 into 100. So it will convert into whole number as this 900 upon 15. Now we will solve this question, which is we found new dividend and new divisor. 15 1 ja 15. 15 6 ja 90 and 1 0. If you are not able to divide like this, so you have to write into the long division method. 900 divide by 15, 6 ja 90, subtract 0 will come as it is in the quotient area. So our answer will be 60 of this question. Now let's solve another question, which is 88 divided by 0.08. In this also dividend is given into the whole number and divisor is given into decimal form. Let's observe how many decimal place the divisor has. 2. So we will multiply by 100 into the dividend and divisor as usual to convert into whole number. 88 multiply by 100, so it will change into 8800 upon 0.08 multiply by 100, so it will convert into whole number as 8. Now let's divide this number. 8 1 ja 8, 8 1 ja 8, 8 1 ja 8 and 2 0 will be in the answer. You can solve like this also if you are not able to solve directly. 8 1 ja 8, subtract 8 1 ja 8, subtract 0 and 0 will come in the quotient directly. So you have a same answer in the both manner. Let's do another 2 questions so you will be able to solve this type of question very well. 7 divided by 0.014. Write into the fraction and observe the divisor how many decimal place it has. 1, 2, 3. Now what to do next step? We need to multiply the dividend and divisor by 1000. After multiplication we will get new dividend, which is 7000, and new divisor, that will be 14. If you are able to divide, you can divide directly. 14 1 ja 14, 14 5 ja 70 and 2 0 in the quotient. If you need to write into the long division method, that will be like this. 14 5 ja 70 and 2 0 in the quotient directly, which will be not divide. Now do the another question. 93 divided by 3.1. Write into the fraction and observe how many decimal place the divisor has. 1 decimal place. So we will multiply dividend by 10 and divisor by 10. After multiplication we will get a new dividend and new divisor. Now solve this question. That will be 31 1 ja 31, 31 3 ja 93 and 1 0, that will be come in the quotient directly. If you are not able to divide like this, you have to divide into the long division method. 31 3 ja 93. Subtract and 0 into the remainder will come directly into the quotient. This will be our answer. 30 of this question, 500 of this question. Let's move to the another topic, which is to convert fraction into decimal. In order to solve this type of question, we will write numerator and directly divide by denominator. So what to do in this question, we will write numerator as a dividend and denominator as a divisor. Am I clear? After writing this, you know that how to divide. Write into the long division method. Now here you will observe that dividend is smaller than divisor. We will put decimal and increase 1 0 into the dividend. Now it is able to divide. 5 2 ja 10. So of this question, which is 1 upon 5, 1 divided by 5, or you have a question 1 upon 5. What answer we will have? 0.2. This is a decimal form. Now solve another question. First of all, write into the division form as a dividend and divisor. After that we will divide the number. It is able to divide by 4. 4 1 ja 4. Subtract the number 3. Now no any further number remain here to take it below. So we will increase, we will put the decimal to increase 0 in this number. Now 4 7 ja 28. Subtract the number, we will have 2 and increase one more 0, so it will divide completely. 4 5 ja 20. So what is the answer of this question? 7 upon 4. Into the decimal form, we will have answer 1.75. Let's do another question, which is number 3. 7 upon 16. We will write into the division form as 7 divided by 16 and divide into the long division method. As the dividend is smaller than divisor, we will put the decimal in quotient area and increase 0 as it cannot be divided. So here we have 70. Now 16 4 ja 64 can be divided. Subtract the number, we'll have 6. After putting decimal, as many 0 we want, we can increase in the remainder. So we will be able to divide all the questions. 16 3 ja 48. Subtract the number, we will have 12. Increase one more 0. Then 16 7 ja 112. Subtract the number. Increase one more 0 into the remainder, so that will be 80, and it will complete divide by 16 5 ja 80. Here my division complete. And what answer we will get? 7 upon 16 is equal to, in decimal form, 0.0 4375. This is our third topic of this video, which is word problems on division of decimal. See, the first question I have taken the cost of 24 pence. Here the quantity of pence are given 24. So the cost of 24 pence is rupees 375.60. What is the cost of each pen? You know that we need to divide to get the less value. So let's start to solve this question. First of all, cost of 24 pence we will write, which is given in the question. ₹375.60. We will write total number of pens 24. So cost of each pen is equal to, we will divide by the cost to the quantity, so we will get the answer. Let's do the long division method. Divide by 24. 24 ones are 24. Subtract the number. Next number we will have 5. Drop it down. That number is 135. So 24 fives are 120. Subtract the number. Now you know that before taking the decimal number we need to put the decimal into the quotient area. Then we are allowed to drop this number into the remainder place. Now this is 156. 24 six are 144. Subtract the number. Drop the another number. And 24 fives are 120. So here my division divide completely. Hence cost of one pen is rupees 15.65. That will be answer. I hope you have understood this question. Let's solve another question of word problem. The weight of 37 bags of sugar is 3644.5 kilogram. If all the bag weigh equally, what is the weight of each bag? We have number of bags 37 and the weight of these 37 bags 3644.5. We need to divide this number, so we will get each bag weight. Let's do the question. Total weight of all bags is 3644.5 kilogram, which is given in the question. Number of total bag 37. So weight of each bag will be 3644.5 divided by 37 kilogram. We need to divide this into the long division method. So right here into the long division method. So from which number it goes? 37 8s are. No, it will go 37 9s are. 37 9s are will be 333. Subtract the number 31. Drop another number in the remainder place. 314. 37 8s are, we will have 294. Sorry, 96. Subtract the number. And before taking the decimal number, we need to drop the decimal into the quotient area. Then we are allowed to take this number. And 37 5s are will be 185. Here my division completely divided and my quotient is 98.5. Hence, we can write that weight of one bag is 98.5 kilogram. I hope you have understood this solution also. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe my channel so you will get the notification of my new videos. Thank you.